Investing in companies is pretty awesome, and watching your return grow is even better. But what if those companies would literally pay you just for participating in that investment? Enter dividend stocks. Hey guys, just Vaish here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and drop a huge thumbs up for the growth of the channel. But today I'm going to be going through 5 Canadian dividend paying stocks that will better your portfolio and ensure that you're set up for success for the future. Now, when it comes to investing, you want to make sure that you do all of your research, you have an emergency fund set up, and you know what you're doing. Don't just listen to a bunch of people on TikTok or a bunch of people on YouTube and throw your money at certain investments because they say so. Make sure it's suitable for you. So the first company that I am going to be investing in as a dividend investor would be Enbridge. So that's ticker symbol ENB.TO. They're trading in the ballpark of around $46.70 Canadian, and Enbridge is well known for their participation in the infrastructure of energy and various things around that sector. And as far as North America goes, they are the largest energy infrastructure company, serving over 3.7 million customers, spanning over Canada as well as New York. And with Enbridge, I really like them because they've been paying a continuous dividend for the past several decades, and also that dividend has been growing. So as a Canadian dividend investor, not only am I getting that 7.16% yield on a quarterly basis, but that stock price is also steadily increasing over time. The second was going to be in the financial services. And with that, I'm going to look at Manulife. So that's MFC.TO, currently trading at around $25.87. And with Manulife, they're well known for their financial services, insurance, wealth, and asset management. But for me in particular, I tend to sort of think of them more as like a insurance company, but I'm sure they do much more than that. And they serve over 26 million customers worldwide. And with Manulife, it's sitting at about a 4.15% dividend yield. So they're also considered a Canadian dividend aristocrat, meaning they've been paying a growing and consistent dividend over the past several decades. Now, the third institution that we're going to be adding to this dividend portfolio is TD Bank, known with ticker symbol TD.TO. So they're North America's 5th largest bank, which is pretty crazy. And they serve over 2,300 retail locations and over 14 million online and mobile customers. I personally bank with TD for some of my financial services as well, and I'm not too surprised how much of a reach that they have. They offer competitive rates, they offer amazing products, and as an investor, a 3.81% dividend yield as well. Now, the fourth institution, arguably Canada's backbone, would be the Canadian National Railway, with the ticker symbol CNR.TO, and it's trading in the ballpark of around 135 Canadian dollars. Now, CNR is in the business of rail and related transportation, and they connect many parts of North America, so not just Canada and other parts as well. And what's really cool about CNR is that they've diversified all of their revenue streams so that each particular one doesn't exceed more than 25% of their total revenue. So if one part of their business takes a hit, the other side, because it's still equally diversified, is going to be able to bring that part up. So with CNR, they have a dividend yield of 1.66%, and that one has been paying a consistent and growing dividend over the past 25 years. Now for the final one that we're going to be adding to this portfolio, and this is going to be Fortis. So that's FTS.TO, which is trading in the ballpark of around 55 Canadian dollars. With Fortis, they are an electric and gas utility company that operates across North America, and they sell wholesale electricity to other companies and operate natural gas pipelines. So they've diversified across the transportation as well as the sort of management of these infrastructures. And with Fortis, they have a yield of 3.6%. Now, that's been growing consistently for the past 47 years. Now, as a Canadian dividend investor, we're often limited to choices within Canada, or we have to pay that non-resident withholding tax when we receive dividends from US-based companies. But with Enbridge, And Manulife, and then TD, Canadian National Railway, and Fortis, these institutions are diversified across various sectors. They offer differing levels of dividend yields. They have continuous growth of both the stock as well as the dividend, and just overall diversified assets for your Canadian dividend portfolio. So if you enjoyed today's video and you found some of these dividend suggestions useful, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. But other than that, I'll see you again next time with a new video. See ya!